Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Olympic muffins. First, let's get our oven ready by preheating it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While that warms up, prepare a 12-cup muffin tin by lining it with paper liners. Now, in a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients: 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Don't forget a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to balance the flavors. Give it a good whisk to ensure everything is well combined. Next, let's prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. For that extra touch of deliciousness, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, it's time to combine them. Pour the wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spatula until just combined. Remember, overmixing can lead to tough muffins, so a few lumps are actually a good sign for a tender crumb. Now for the exciting part, baking. Carefully divide your muffin batter evenly among the 12 prepared muffin cups. Make sure each cup is filled about 2/3 of the way. Place the tin into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 18 to 20 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they're golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool in the tin for about 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. Congratulations, you've made Olympic-level muffins. These delightful treats are best enjoyed warm, perhaps with a little butter or your favorite spread. For storing, keep any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their freshness. If you've made a big batch, you can freeze the cooled muffins for up to 3 months. Just thaw them at room temperature or reheat gently when you're ready for another winning bite. Enjoy your culinary victory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.